Welcome to my cooking series. Today I'm preparing Onuigbo soup. Here I'm using banga fruit juice. I'm using it because I wanted the soup to come out very well and tasty instead of using palm oil. The proteins here that I'm using are beef, dry fish, then stockfish. You can use any other protein of your choice whenever you're cooking. So after putting in those things, I put my salt, I put pepper, then I'll put my seasoning cube, I allow it to boil. So while it's boiling, I'm prepping my cocoyam. I pounded it. But it's so unfortunate that my clip did not get when I was putting the cocoyam in the soup, even when I was putting crayfish. But I did all that. Okay, here I've already put it, and I'm trying to see if the cocoyam will melt into the soup and marinate very well. Here I'm using my spoon to break it down. So after doing that, I proceed to put my Onuigbo leaf. Cooking Onuigbo soup does not require any Herculean task. It's just the process you use to cook oha soup. You can equally use it to cook Onuigbo soup. But the 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 idea here is that you allow your Onuigbo soup to cook for a very long time in order to inculcate the taste into your soup. So I've put my leaf and I added a little bit of water to make it loosen a bit because I found out that the soup is kind of thick. I did not want it to come out thick, so I had to add water to loosen it a bit. Then I have to stir very well so that the Onuigbo leaves will not fold in one place. They have to go around the soup. So after then I allow it to boil for a few minutes, then I bring it down. This soup came out so well and delicious. You need to try this. If you have not cooked this kind of soup, you need to follow this recipe and make a delicious and a sumptuous meal for you and your family to enjoy this weekend. Will you be trying this? What swallow are you going to pair with this soup? I know you have been eating Onuigbo soup, but have you tried the one that was cooked with palm fruit juice? Try it and you know why I'm telling you that. You will never go the other way. If you are just coming across this channel, please follow this channel, like my videos, share, comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'm so grateful. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye. Mwah.